First of all, I will start with MMA students. They've been really great to work with. They are really talented young people, so they've been able to bring value to the company by creating a model that allows us to be more proactive in terms of purchasing instead of being reactive. In today's world and today's market, it's really important. Supply chain has become a really critical thing to follow closely to be able to respond to our customer on time and provide value to them as well.
I think this project was great because it gives you exposure to a real industry project, something that's happening in the real world outside of the academic context. So it has real implications for the client with who you're working. It teaches you how to handle multiple stakeholders, how to understand their needs. They set their expectations from you and you set your expectations for them, and you work and your objective is to attain those expectations and you have to meet them. And you also learn how to handle multiple priorities, you learn how to handle challenges, and it's good exposure as opposed to the conventional class projects that you have, because when you're working on a class project, everything is set out to work out just fine. Like, you have your initial problem, you know what your solution is going to be, and you know what's the output that you expect. Whereas when you're working on an industry project, you don't know, you have an idea of what you want to achieve, but you don't know exactly how it's going to turn out. And doing a capstone like this, it helps you.
The biggest value from this experience is the fact that it showcases my ability to actually work on a sophisticated data analytics project using real-world data in a business environment where we're working with clients, handling expectations, and dealing with unexpected changes as they happen, as opposed to in a class environment where you have pretty clean data going in and then a very set task ahead of you that you're mostly in control of.